Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can import video projects from your OneDrive account in Microsoft Clipchamp. So let us get started. So let me navigate to Microsoft Clipchamp, and for this method guys, let me navigate also back to the home section by clicking into that icon in the top left here in the editor. And what you want to do next guys is here in the home section is click into that settings button in the top right, and from here navigate to settings. Next navigate to OneDrive here in the left hand side, and into import project below, and after that select the locate project here, and then you will be redirected to OneDrive. So give it a few seconds, and after that what you want to do is navigate to the given folder inside your directory inside your OneDrive account. And then navigate to the folder here to the right and locate the given video project to open it. Once you have selected it, with your left mouse click into select in the bottom right, and then the given video project will be opened here through the video editor guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.